Hey campers, it's Dustin with the Extreme Lifestyles channel. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you an update on what I've been doing and what I have planned. Last November, I picked up a van. I've been kind of doing a bunch of renovations to it, getting everything in order and making plans. And this upcoming weekend, I'll be taking it out for my first voyage. So I'll be doing a bunch of videos with that. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you what's been building up to it and what I've been doing the last few months. So check this out. Bam! For years now, I've been obsessing over van life and the simplicity behind it. I started with a bed in the back of my minivan that I picked up just because I didn't want to pick up a truck and pay the inflated prices. So I picked up the Toyota Sienna minivan, put a bed in the back, and was happy with that. It was perfect for overnight camping, but I knew I needed to upgrade to something a little bit more. So I picked up Sophie, my brand new Transit Connect camper van. I love Sophie, especially with the gaucho style bed in that kitchen area with the flip down desk or the place where I can prep from. But I realized quickly that I needed more. Now let me start by saying I don't actually live in my van. It's more like I live out of my van because I'm in it or near it way more than I'm actually near where I reside. Therefore, I have everything I need to survive in my van and live life on my own terms. Whether it's taking a trip to the woods for a hike, getting in some miles in workouts with the Ruck Club, or just getting out and checking out the views. Doing an 11-mile loop challenge right now.
We have to go back to the road.
The best part is making it up as I go, whether it's the van build, my next adventure, or life in itself.